Good morning, class. Today we shall write the question answer of the chapter 1 Light in the Night. So we will start the question answer 1A. Answer the following question. First question is before street lamps were introduced, what did people do on cloudless moonlit night? Why did they need to wait for these weather conditions? Means before street light were introduced. Means street light before the street lights were in custom. How did people How did people manage to do the work on cloudless moonlit night and moonlit night? You know the first answer. People would take advantage of the moonlight on cloudless night and go out to socialize. Means the in the moonlight when the uh, lamps were not introduced, street lamps were not introduced, people would take the advantage of moonlight because in dark it is not possible. So they wait for moonlight on cloudless night. And cloudless night without clouds and go out to socialize. Socialize means सामाजिक मेल मिलाप. Before street lamps were introduced, means this happened before street lamps were introduced. They needed to wait for these weather conditions, and people needed for these weather conditions because night time could be dangerous for them, because in night there might be many problems that can be harm, that can injure him, that can attack him. So this is because night time could be dangerous for them. Second question is B. Before street lamps were introduced, what were the dangers that people faced if they went out at night? Means what were the dangers before street lights were introduced that people would face? The dangers that people faced if they went out at night were, means what were the dangers that people would face in those times were such: they could trip, fall and injure themselves. Without light they could trip, means लड़खड़ा सकते हैं, गिर सकते हैं, and injure themselves, and could injure themselves without light. First point. Second, they might fell in the river and drown, and it might be also filed. Suppose that it is night, they could go and fell into the river, and it might be possibility that they might drown. Third, they might be robbed or attacked by criminals, and it might be also possible that they might be attacked, they might be robbed, they might be looted. So these are the problems that people would face before street lights were introduced. Question answer C. Who were link boys? Who were link boys, and what did they do? You know, at the beginning or in the beginning of the chapter, the link boys were had a very important role in those times for the lighting purpose. The link boys were young men. The link boys were young men. नवयुवक लोग होते थे. Who would hold a burning torch? Who would take a burning torch? Hold a पकड़ते थे burning torch or lamp ahead of the pupil, and ahead of the pupil लोगों के आगे, for a small fees, and for this work they were getting is a small fee, small amount, small salary. small lever uh, expansion so that they could see the way through the dark street, so that they could see, because it helps to pupils to see the way through the dark street or way. So this is the answer of this. And question answer D. What did the work of a lamplighter involve? What did the work of a lamplighter involve? You know the work of lamplighters. You know the work of a lamplighters involved that they would walk the same route twice a day. Means the lamplighter had to walk twice a day, twice a day, in same route, in particular route, same particular route. And as they checked, and they would check clean, fixed माने स्थापित करते थे, and lit जलाते थे, and put up बुझाते थे, the lights and lights, and notice what was going on around them, and they would also notice what is happening around the lamps, So these were the work of the lamp lighters. In question number E, roughly how many gas lamp are there in London today? You know it is clear because I have explained it here. Today there are still 1,500 gas lamps in London. So you can write roughly there are still 1,500 gas lamps are there in London today, and 5 people are employed to operate them, and to operate them properly, to put off the 5 peoples, 5 peoples would look after the lamps today still. Now next question, F. How many pupils are there? How many pupils are employed to light the lamps today? It is clear. 5 pupils are employed to light the gas lamps today. So this is all for today, and rest of the question I shall perform next day. So I hope that you have understood the question, meaning of the questions and answer, and you will study the question answer and read and understand. Also, you will write this question answer in your fair copy. I shall send you the question and answers both through in your WhatsApp group. Thank you, class.